Hello, computer scientists. Miss Reed here with a quick tutorial on one way that you can collaborate with your teammates when you are working in Scratch. So, as you can see, I have the start of a Tonka doodle here, and we are going to just pretend that my job was to program and design the T sprite. So as you can see, I have some code for the T-Sprite. I've created a couple costumes for the T-Sprite, and I am ready to basically send this to my partner so they can import it to our final project. So I'm going to go ahead and control click and export this T, and you can see it goes down to my downloads down here. And then I'm going to click over to my final project here. Remember, you should have just one final project and you shouldn't open it at the same time. Just make sure it's on one computer. And then I'm just going to go down to choose a sprite and I'm going to say upload sprite. And I'm going to choose from my downloads folder that Glow T sprite. And I'm going to say open. And as you can see, it imports my T sprite, it imports the code. It also imports the two costumes I've created, so we can go ahead and test. And there we go. So that's one way that you can collaborate in Scratch. Good luck!